Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the topic of trigonometry. In this particular video session, we are going to discuss about the topic of multiple angles. In this particular video session, we are going to discuss about the conversion of the trigonometric functions in terms of 3a into the trigonometric functions in terms of a. That means the conversion from 3a to a. So let us start from the formula. The first formula, it is sin 3a. We know that sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Putting 2a in place of b, we have sin a plus 2a, then it is sin a into cos 2a plus cos a into sin 2a. 2a plus a, it is 3a, so it will be sin 3a is equal to sin a multiplied with, there are 4 values of the function cos 2a, of the trigonometric value cos 2a, and we have to put only the value which contains only the sin terms. So it is 1 minus 2 sin square a plus cos a. The formula of sin 2a, it is 2 sin a into cos a, then it is sin a minus 2 sin qa plus 2 sin a multiplied with cos a into cos a, it is cos square a, sin 3a, sin a minus 2 sin qa plus 2 sin a. In place of cos square a, we have to put 1 minus sin square a. Sin 3a is equal to sin a minus 2 sin qa plus 2 sin a minus 2 sin qa. So just simplifying, we can have sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. So here it is the formula of sin 3a. Similarly, we can write down sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. Whenever the problem will be in the form of theta, then we have to apply the formula of sin 3 theta. Then another note here, we have sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. That implies 4 sin qa is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Then it will be sin qa is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a whole divided by 4. Similarly, we can have sin q theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta whole divided by 4. So it is all about the first formula sin 3a. Then let us go through the formula of cos 3a. it is number 2. We know that cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Putting 2A in place of B, we have cos A plus 2A, it is cos A into cos 2A minus sin A into sin 2A. Then it will be cos 3A, cos A. Again, we have to put the value of cos 2A which contains only the cosine terms. That means it is 2 cos square A minus 1 minus sin A. In place of sin 2A, we have to put 2 sin A into cos A. Then it is cos 3A, it is 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A into sin square A. We have to put sin square A at the right side so that we can put the value of 1 minus cos square A here. So it is cos 3A is equal to 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A multiplied with 1 minus cos square A. Cos 3A is equal to 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A plus 2 cos cube A. Cos 3A is equal to 2 cos cube A, 2 cos cube A, it is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So here it is the value of cos 3A. Similarly, we can write down this formula in terms of theta. So cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Again, let us convert this formula in terms of cos QA and cos Q theta. We know that cos 3A is equal to 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A. Let us interchange the sides of the above formula so that right hand side got into the left hand side and the left hand side part got into the right side. So it will be 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A is equal to cos 3A. That implies 4 cos QA is equal to cos 3A plus 3 cos A. So cos QA is equal to cos 3A plus 3 cos A whole divided by 4. Similarly, cos Q theta is equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta whole divided by 4. So here it is all about the formula cos 3A. Then let us go through the tan 3A formula. We know that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Putting 2A in terms of V, we have tan A plus 2A is equal to tan A plus tan 2A, tan A plus tan 2A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan 2A. Then it will be tan 3A, tan A plus 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A whole divided by 1 minus tan A multiplied with 2 tan A whole divided by 1 minus tan square A. Tan 3A is equal to tan A multiplied with 1 minus tan square A plus 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square. Here LCM is the 1 minus tan square A. Similarly, in the denominator part, again the LCM is 1 minus tan square A. Then it is 1 multiplied with 1 minus tan square A. Then it will be, after multiplying, we can have minus 2 tan square A. One minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A got cancelled with each other. Then it will be tan 3A is equal to, multiplying, we can have tan A minus tan QA plus 2 tan A whole divided by 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A. Then it will be tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan QA whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A, which is the formula of tan 3A. Similarly, we can write down, we can express this formula in terms of theta. So, tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan q theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So, here it is all about the formula of tan 3A. Then let us go through some of the examples based upon these formulas. So here it is the first problem based upon the multiple angle. Let us go through the proof. It has been asked to prove that at 8 cos q pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9 is equal to 1. So let us start from the left hand side. 8 cos q pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9. Taking 2 as common, we can have 4 cos q pi by 9 minus 3 cos pi by 9. Here theta is in the form of a pi by 9 and it is in the form of a cos 3 theta, because we know that cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. So it is in the form of 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. Here theta is in terms of pi by 9. So we can apply here cos 3 theta. 2 multiplied with cos 3 theta. In terms of theta, we can put pi by 9. So it is 2 multiplied with cos pi by 3. And cos pi by 3, it is 1 by 2. So it is 1. Then let us go through the example number 2. Then here it is the problem number 2. It is almost similar to problem number 1, and the problem number was in the form of a sin 3 theta, and now it is in the form of the problem number 1 was in the form of a cos 3 theta, and it is in the form of sin 3 theta. So starting from the left hand side, we have taking 36 as common, we can have 3 sin pi by 18 minus 4 sin cube pi by 18. 36 multiplied with, it is in the form of sin 3 theta. So sin 3 multiplied with pi by 18. 36 multiplied with sin, it is pi by 6. 36 multiplied with 1 by 2 sin pi by 6, it is 1 by 2. Then here it is the answer. Then next, let us go through the problem number 3. So here it is the problem number 3. I have already done the solution for you, and it has been asked to prove that cos 6a is equal to 32 cos to the power 6a plus 18 cos square a minus 48 cos to the power 4a minus 1. So first of all, we have to convert cos 6a in terms of cos 2 into 3a. That means we have to convert it in the form of cos 2 theta. That is, it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And here theta is equal to 3a. And then in the third step, we have to put the value of cos 3a, which is 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. Then it will be 2 multiplied with the whole square of 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. And then after putting this value, just we have to simplify this step so that we can get the answer here. Then next, moving towards some of the important problems based upon the multiple angle. Example number 4. Prove that cos a multiplied with cos 60 minus a multiplied with cos 60 plus a is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3. We have already solved this problem in the topic of a transformation formula, and here we are going to prove this by using the multiple angle formula. So that here it is the proof. Starting from the left hand side, we have cos a multiplied with cos 60 minus a multiplied with cos 60 plus a cos a. First of all, we have to put the formula of cos a plus b multiplied with cos a minus b. Cos a plus b multiplied with cos a minus b, and it is cos square a minus sin square b. So you have to put this formula here so that it is cos square 60 minus sin square a. And we know that the value of a cos 60 it is 1 by 4. So cos a it is 1 by 4 minus, in place of sin square a we have to put 1 minus cos square a. cos A multiplied with 1 by 4 minus 1 plus cos square A. Then it will be cos A cos square A 1 by 4 minus 1, it is minus 3 by 4. Cos A, taking 4 as LCM, it is 4 cos square A minus 3. Then taking 1 by 4 as common here, we have 1 by 4 cos A multiplied with 4 cos square A minus 3. Then it will be 1 by 4 multiplying cos A with these two terms, we have 4 cos q A minus 3 cos A, which is the value of cos 3A. So it is 1 by 4 cos 3A, and it is the required right hand side. So the problem has been proved here. Here it is the problem number 4. Similarly, you have to prove the problem number 5. Similarly, you have to prove sin A multiplied with sin 60 minus A multiplied with sin 60 plus A will be equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A, and it is the task for you. So it is all about the problem number 5. Then let us go through the problem number 6. Here it is the problem number 6. We have already discussed about it in the topic of transformation formula, and now we are going to prove this by using the multiple angle. Here it is the left hand side, sin 20 multiplied with sin 40 multiplied with sin 60 multiplied with sin 80. The value of a sin 60, it is root 3 by 2. The remaining terms are sin 20, sin 40, sin 80. We can write down, we can consider 20 as A and 40 as sin 60 minus 20, then 80 as 60 plus 20. So it is in the form of sin A sin 60 minus A sin 60 plus A, which is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A, and here the value of A is 20 degree. And now by putting this formula here, we can have root 3 by 2 multiplied with 1 by 4 sin 3A, that means 3 into 20, because the value of A here it is 20. Then it is root 3 by 8, then it is sin 60 degree, and you know that the value of a sin 60 degree, here it is root 3 by 2, and now here it is the answer 3 by 16, which is the right hand side of the given problem. That means the problem has been solved here. And here it is the example number 6. Now let us go through the example number 7. So finally, let us discuss about the last 3 problems based upon the topic multiple angles. These problems, example number 7 and example number 8, are tasks for you. If sin x is equal to 1 by 3, then you have to find out the value of sin 3x. That means you have to put the formula for sin 3x, and then you have to directly put the value of sin x is equal to 1 by 3 here, and then you can get the answer from that. In the example number 8, it has been given that cos x is equal to 1 by 2, then you have to find out the value of cos 3x. Again you have to put the formula of cos 3x here and directly you have to put cos x as 1 by 2, then you can get the result from there. At last, the problem number 9. If cos x plus cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0, then you have to prove that cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is equal to 12 multiplied with cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. So first of all, we have to go through the left hand side. So here it is the left hand side. Cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma. First of all, you have to put the formula of cos 3 theta here. That means in place of cos 3 alpha, you can get 4 cos q alpha minus 3 cos alpha. In place of cos 3 beta, you can get through 4 cos q beta minus 3 cos beta. Similarly, in terms of 4 cos q alpha, 4 cos q gamma minus 3 cos gamma. Then you have to arrange these terms and taking 4 as common, we can get 4 cos q alpha, cos q beta, cos q gamma. And taking minus 3 as common, you can get in the second part cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. We know that the formula from the algebraic, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of aq plus bq plus cq is equal to 3abc. By applying this formula in this step, it is given that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. That means in place of aq plus bq plus cq, you can get through 3abc. That means 3 cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. But it is given that cos alpha plus cos beta and cos gamma is equal to 0. That means you have to put directly 0 here in the second part. That means it will be 12 cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma minus it is 0. So the result is here 12 cos alpha into cos beta into cos gamma, which is the right hand side, and it has been proved here. So it is all about the problems and concepts based upon the topic multiple angles, exactly based upon the trigonometry functions containing the angle 3a, and we have to convert them into the trigonometry functions containing the angle a. In the next video session, just we are going to discuss about the some multiple angles and some of the problems based upon this. Till then, thank you.